Welcome back, super second graders. Today we get to continue working on SOL 2.16, which is patterns, but today we get to add something new. Our learning target for today is using numbers. I can identify, describe, extend, and create growing and repeating patterns. So we get to add numbers to our knowledge of patterns. I was thinking about the most simple one that I think all of you will know, and this is a growing pattern with numbers. You can probably do it with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I bet you could keep going. The regular way that we count is actually a growing number pattern because 0 plus 1 is 1, and then 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 plus 1 is 4, and so on. So each time I'm adding 1 to the number. Let's make it a little bit trickier. Let's say that I start with 6, then 8, then 10. Can you figure out how the pattern grew each time? I added 2. Let's try another one. Let's start with 6 again and say 6, 9, 12, 15. This is another growing pattern, only each time I added 3. And how you are changing it each time is called the rule, and you will hear that in the video. Now let's think about how repeating patterns with numbers would work. I got some cards to show this. So we have 8, 2, 1, 8, 2, 1. And you could probably continue that because you can identify what the core of it is. And the core of that repeating pattern is 8, 2, 1. So that just continues to repeat. I also found some dominoes. So let's check this out. Let's say my pattern is 10, 2, and that's going to be my core. So that needs to keep repeating. So then I would need another 10 and another 2. And now I have a repeating pattern with the core being 10 and 2. When you watch the video today, make sure to listen out for the rule so that you will know how the pattern grows each time and try to identify growing and repeating patterns. Enjoy the video.